got a hemlock on here, the 9.5-foot log. Paint is just removing the outside 4 surfaces that are kind of nastied up. These staked lower than my first pass. I got this cam lock over here, nice and firm against. Solid on. I'm gonna mount a laser on here so I could sight it more easily. As I'm above those supports, and it looks like I'm capturing all the contour. Probably get a whole pile of 2x6s out off there. Got our square edge now. I jack these guys up a little. I'm gonna make another, and we'll have perpendicular surfaces that we know are square.